One screenshot, one constraint. I dropped a Space Invaders tool in front of Claude and said, build me a Remotion component that plays this by itself, every setting in the panel as a prop, and make the invaders Claude. Here it is, not a screen recording, a Remotion component. 14 columns, 8 rows, terracotta Claude's marching on seated choreography. The ship drifts, the pills fire. The score ticks as kills complete their animation. Every parameter on that panel is now a prop. Calls is the first riff, push from 14 to 21 and the formation stretches wall to wall, shallower, wider, more threat per column. The march speed and the descent rules are the same, only the grid shape changed. That is what one prop buys you. March speed and projectile rate, turn both up and the game goes arcade. Final wave, faster reversals, more descent per second, projectiles flying from multiple columns at once. Same seed, same kill targets, different speed. The choreography logic does not change, only the clock rate does. The colors beat, the original tool used a hard red on black, swap invader to the stills red and you have the classic arcade palette. The HUD, the ship, the projectile pills, all independent props. One CSS hue rotate filter per cell, no texture maps. The terracotta default is just one value away from anything else. Same component, portrait canvas. Use video config gives the dimensions at render time, so the grid scales, the safe margins recalculate, the ship stays in its band. This is the layout law. One component composes at any aspect by reading its container. Nothing is hard-coded to 16 by 9. The seed beat, every fire time, every kill target, every column phase offset, all seeded. Claude Invaders and Wave 2 are different seeds, different kills, different ripple phases, same march rules. Render the same seed twice and you get pixel-identical output. That is the determinism contract. Change the seed and you get a new performance, not a random one. Phase game over, kill choreography suspends. Every Claude sleeps with the dim tint, the dark red from the screenshots. Game over fades in. Press space to restart a set dressing. There is no space bar. The score is a prop. The text is verbatim from the original panel. One phase switch, whole different mood. Source, a Space Invaders tool. The screenshots are the spec. Every control in that panel became a prop. The component is rebuilt entirely native. Pixel art mascots, SVG ship, rounded direct pills. Nothing was cropped from the stills. 21 props. Every control in the source panel is a prop. Seeded attract mode, same seed, pixel identical film forever. 30% kill choreography, error shake, blink out, score ticks, wave clear, celebrate. One component, any canvas, use video config, reads the stage. The screenshot was only ever the spec. Take a screenshot of a tool you like, settings panel visible. Ask Claude, build me a Remotion component where every control in this panel is a prop. Then change 3 props and re-render. The screenshot is the spec. The riff reel is the test. If a prop exists in the schema but can't be shown on camera, the component doesn't really have it.